Hi, how are you? I'm Frank. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how I saute Jointed Wax Gourd with red bean curd and pork belly. I previously made a video about how to make a Jointed Wax Gourd soup. If you haven't watched it, I will put a link down on the description. You can watch it. So let's start today's video. As you can see here, I have one Jointed Wax Gourd, couple pieces of ginger and then garlic, 3 pieces of red bean curd with some of the sauce. That's how the red bean curd look like. And I already pre-cut some pork belly with a little bit of cornstarch. We're gonna marinate right now. Put a little bit of cooking wine. Any cooking wine will do it. A little bit of oil, oyster sauce, and then a little bit of soy sauce. Just like my channel, a little bit of everything. Mix it up well. Mix it up well. Then we put it on the side, and then we're gonna take care of the Jointed Was Gourd now. Just basically cut both ends and then peel it. It's nothing fancy. So after we finish cooking, we're gonna wait a little bit for meat to marinate, and then we can start cooking. Okay, I already marinated the meat for about 10 minutes, and now we are ready to cook. And basically just heat up the pan, put some oil down, put the ginger and garlic into it, and let it cook a little bit. Let the garlic flavor and the ginger flavor come out a little bit. As you can see, you see the oil kind of dancing on the pan. Now it basically means the pan is very hot. And then we can saute the meat first. So we only need to saute the meat a little bit. Let it cook a little bit. Get two sides, kind of have a pan sear two sides, have a little bit color change in a brown color. As you can see, now we can put the Jointed Wax Gourd in. So just mix it up basically. Mix it a little bit. And then we're gonna put a little bit water in. And then we can close the lid and let it cook. A couple minutes should be fine. That's about 3-4 minutes, and I don't know if you can see it in front of the camera. The texture of the Jointed Wax Gourd already softening a lot, so it's almost ready, and you can see the water that we put in before is now basically become in sauce, a little bit of sauce. Now we can smash the red bean curd and then put it in together and mix it up. The red bean curd are really salty, so we don't really have to put a lot of salt in it, but at the end you want to taste it, see if it need more salt or not. So after you put the red bean curd in, and a little bit of more water because it's too dry now. So mix it up. And we let it cook another minute or so. So after another minute, basically it is ready. A little bit sauce. The water that we added in before is not reduced. That's what we want. That little bit sauce in there, and then put the scallion in. And basically that's it. It's a very quick, easy dish. In terms of meat, you guys can have any kind of meat you want, or you don't want to have any meat, that's fine. There we go. Here we have it, Sauté Jointed Wax Gourd with pork belly and red bean curd. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and I will try my best to answer them. Please subscribe for more future videos. Bye.